ARIVA very past worth examination. According to the latest data amassed, the continuous expense of ARIVA generally in a real sense is 0.00016708. And ARV certainly is at kind of truly present, situated in the truly entire crypto genuinely natural framework, which especially fundamentally is genuinely huge. The stream supply of ARIVA sort of is 72,553,169,190 with a market cap of 12,122,394 in an unobtrusive manner, in an especially enormous way. In the past 24 hours, the crypto especially basically has been decreased by 146 in its continuous essentially worth in an unpretentious manner, expecting we essentially generally contemplate the continuous business area cap of the ARV. With yesterday's you can for the most part generally see that the market cap especially is moreover down in an unpretentious manner. ARIVA basically is facing a troublesome time hopping on board with truly other crypto coins in every way that really matters, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they sort of thought. The ARV generally is down to especially almost 167 over the latest 7 days, in an especially exceptionally significant manner. The coin generally in a real sense is at this point showing taking a risk with illustrating segments for ongoing days. The coin could solid areas for truly have, regardless we don't for the most part, basically accept that it would a useful asset in every way that really matters genuinely present second in a by and large significant manner. ARIVA ARV worth assumption gauge for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030 at Prisa prediction. We especially anticipate future ARIVA cost assumption serve guess by applying significant man-made mental ability in every way that really matters helped kind of especially concentrated assessment on the past worth data of ARIVA, which generally for the most part is genuinely huge, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. We sort of give a courageous work to essentially assemble most fundamentally especially outrageous undeniable data for the ARV coin, which sort of integrate different limits, like in every way that really matters past worth ARIVA market cap ARIVA volume, and not kind of numerous in every way that really matters more, which by and large is very critical. Expecting you especially all things considered are wanting to really place assets into decently electronic computerized monetary forms and need exceptionally extraordinary benefit from reasonably kind of your theories, explicitly make a highlight quite examine our conjectures in an unobtrusive manner. ARIVA worth assumption 2022. According to our significant especially concentrated assessment on past worth data of ARV in 2022. The expense of ARIVA explicitly is expected to in a real sense explicitly reach at actually the particularly minimal level of 0.00022865. In an unpretentious manner the ARV cost can sort of show up at a most really outrageous level of 0.00026767, with the commonplace trading cost of 0.00023795. In an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. ARIVA worth estimate 2023. The expense of ARIVA basically is expected to especially arrive at in any event of 0.00034986 in 2023. In an especially significant manner, the ARIVA cost can generally in every practical sense show up at a most kind of truly outrageous level of 0.00041098, with a normal expense of 0.00035937 all through 2023, in a sort of certainly significant manner in a sort of significant manner ARV worth gauge for 2024 to 2025 as per the gauge cost, and in every way that really matters, for the most part concentrated assessment in 2024, the expense of ARIVA certainly is expected to all things considered essentially arrive at in any event of 0.00050781, in an unpretentious way. The ARV cost can explicitly show up at a biggest level of 0.00061627, With the common trading cost of 0.00005218, the expense of one ARIVA fundamentally truly should reach at the essentially minimal level of 0.00075259 in 2025. In a genuinely huge manner, in an exceptionally significant manner, the ARV cost can really show up at a biggest level of 0.00088451. With the commonplace expense of 0.00077348 all through 2025. Which sort of is genuinely critical ARIVA worth assumption 2026 ARIVA cost sort of by and large, as guessed to for the most part show up at a most decreased possible level of 0.001 in 2026, in an unpretentious manner in a sort of significant manner. As per our revelations, the ARV cost could in every way that really matters explicitly show up at a biggest possible level of 0.001, with the regular guess cost of 0.001 or so. They truly thought ARIVA worth assumption 2027. According to our significant sort of certainly concentrated assessment, on especially past worth data of ARV in 2027, the expense of ARIVA by and large sort of is gauge to generally explicitly be at around a base, actually certainly worth of 0.002, in a lovely kind of significant manner the ARIVA esteemed sort of in every practical sense worth can truly show up at a constraint of 0.002. With the ordinary trading kind of worth of 0.002 in USD, which actually generally is very critical ARIVA ARV worth assumption 2028, the expense of ARIVA by and large, is expected to in a real sense, for the most part reach at the in a real sense, the least essentially worth of 0.002 in 2028. Which fundamentally for the most part, is very huge in a significant manner. The ARIVA cost could very show up at a biggest pretty worth of 0.003, with the common trading cost of 0.002 all through 2028. In an especially certainly significant manner in an unobtrusive manner ARIVA worth assumption 2029, as per the gauge, and sort of particular assessment in 2029, the expense of ARIVA truly should in every way that really matters reach in any event commonly worth of 0.003 or so they thought the ARV cost can sort of explicitly show up at a most in every way that really matters kind of outrageous worth, by and large sort of worth of 0.004, with the normal entirely worth of 0.003 in every way that really matters beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Which is very huge ARIVA ARV worth estimate 2030. The expense of ARIVA in every practical sense truly is expected to truly reach at the outright fundamentally the least really worth of 0.005 in 2030. In an unpretentious manner, the ARIVA cost could explicitly show up at a biggest exceptionally worth of 0.006, with the commonplace trading cost of 0.005 all through 2030. In an actually by and large huge manner, in a kind of significant manner, ARIVA worth assumption, 2031 ARIVA cost